back with another video. Now today this is my 1984 E20739 Galaxy table fan. Now I'm going to show you all the sides of the fan. Here's the right side, here's the back, here's the other side, and here's the front. The cool part of this fan is that this fan has the dial instead of the rectangular push buttons. Another cool thing about this fan is this fan does not need to be oiled anytime soon. The fan catches up and gets to the pace really well and fast. So now I'm going to turn the fan on for you guys. Here's low. As you can hear, low is very quiet. Here's high. As you can see, the fan gets a bit louder. I feel like the higher speed the fan is on, the faster it oscillates. This is a time where you can hear, you can pretty much hear that when the blades are spinning, you can hear the vibration of the blade spinning. You can like hear the sound on the cage. And now I'm going to give you guys a spin down time. This fan takes a little while to slow down. Alright, well that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you for watching the video on my E20739 1984 Galaxy table fan. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.